Well, g'day viewers. Hope you don't mind these little walk and talks around the local area of Phnom. We are currently on, I'll just get this right, currently on Street 488 and going for a little walk around this area during the daytime. I'll get it right this time. This is my daytime evening walk. Yeah, right. Sort of stuffed that one up, didn't I? Anyway, so we'll go for a bit of a walk, have a bit of a waffle on and see what we can find along the way and what things are like. So bear with me, as I said, while I waffle on. Alright, let's get back into it. You can see the wonderful way they travel and carry things. Beautiful. At least it's tied down, unlike some other things that you see in other countries. In the old country, my old country anyway. Plenty of car mechanics, repair shops, paintings, panel beaters, one for whatever. Old KTV, which is now a storefront for some food, excellent stuff. They did offer me some food after I've had something to eat. Oh, that was when they first opened up. Yep, plenty of everybody going for about their day. Chup, 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 chup. No worries. Yeah, I'd rather walk into the traffic. That way I can see what's going on, rather than having them come from behind me. Have a look at this old jigger. It's an old BMW. Have a look. Motorcycle repair and wash and everything. Good stuff. Pretty cool, huh? Sidecar. So yeah, all the dudes over there doing a car wash and bike wash and everything. The old WD-40 and stuff. Plenty of everything. Everybody's independent, doing their own thing, which is pretty good. So it's a beautiful day here, not overtly hot, still hovering around the 30-ish degrees. Maybe hot for some other people, but while I was contemplating what to do, it's around 11 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful, look at that, not a cloud in the sky. Some more motorcycle repair, everything, good stuff. More new today's, or yesterday's as I call them, plenty in there. This is what you see when you get to walk around. You get to see. What's in there? Karaoke, bar, TV, whatever, restaurant. I think that one's pretty big down there. Second-hand shop, Sakura Recycle Shop, Japan. They get a lot of stuff in and bring it here, and yeah, some pretty good stuff in here, but some items can be pricey, as I did find out another one with some clothes. Cool. Now there's a bigger KTV, karaoke TV. Very pricey, but in a group of people it's not so pricey. They do good business. Anyway, we keep meandering along. Reminiscence, the old days. Same colour as mine. This is a 2002-2004 model. Turbo, oh that's the one I would like. That's a 2004. And the best thing about those ones is they oh look at the wheels on that thing. Hot rod. Best thing they did was upgrade the front end structures and all the housings around the dip and that, because they were pretty much, yeah, because I had the version before, I had the live axis, not the independent front. Oh, I think most people would know what this place is here, what I refer to it as. Gotta hold your breath. Sticky Street, Street 105. No, that goes off down that side there. Oh. Yeah, give you a look at it. Oh. Anyway, so yeah, plenty of anything and everything around. Got the school there just to the right, left I should say. God, I don't know what I'm saying half the time. I didn't say I was waffling on, so all good. Not as busy as I have seen, but it is still reasonably, so that's good. Plenty of passing traffic for all the people to do their hawking sales and everything. Nice little repair shop, premium film car washy thingy over there. A lot of them get little leaded extras put on their car, i.e. sun filter on their windscreen, stop the car from turning into an oven, which it does. And you see a lot of cars here have the abs on the side windows, had the absolute blackout filter screen stuff on them. So yeah. See, another car, another washy mechanic-y, servicey, fixy-uppy section for motorbikes and cars. They do a pretty good job, most of them. I don't have a scooter or a bike or a car here, so I can't comment too much. But it's usually pretty thorough. As I stated in another video, plenty of fuel stations around, so never want a shortage of fuel. Yes, out goes the old and in comes the new. You see some more buildings going on. Skinny one. And you look at the contrast. You see the old building there, just at the end of that. But anyway, we'll let them go. I have walked down here before. I wait for all these to get out of the way. Never ending. Never ending. Slow down, but it's an uncontrolled intersection. We're nearly going to go. And as you can see, yeah, we just go out any old which way goes. Pick your time, pick your pace, be patient and you'll get there. Oh, God love that Rio. That's why I stubbed my toe on. Oh, by God's sake, did it hurt. That's what I said. The knees come on, gave her a hug, put it down, and holy crap, she stood on me toe. Not her fault, but hey, oh, just did it hurt. Look at that. That's what I'll do. A lot of people do carve those. Not far from here, but anyway. And look at these other buildings around. Did I say? Not many coffee shops around? Much. One there, one across there. And dare I say, you got one. It's like a milk bar on every corner. It's a coffee shop on every corner. And you look up some of these side streets, you get a good look at some of the old buildings that are still surviving. But all good. That's obviously a newbie one. So as we're coming to the end of Street 488, we see the first set of traffic lights. Yes, they do have them here. infrequent. But they do. So, and in saying that, we'll have a squizzy stop look and see how it all goes. So I'm going to avoid the road as much as possible. So if you go down, well, this is well, we're going to turn left here, and this is Penh Boulevard. So if you turn right, that takes you all the way down to Phnom Bridge, which is also turns into National Road 1 and runs all the way along down the Mekong River beside it. So which is that way. Can be busy. If you really want, you can work your way through there, cross over, and go to almost nearly the end, turn right and turn left, and it takes you through to Penh. And on that road will take you all the way up to the Independence Monument. But we're not going over that side, we're sticking to this side. So, as you can see, lots and lots of cycles everywhere. I'm stumbling here because the footpath's so uneven. Off they go. Everybody's going, doing their thing. Come in, cut across, go across. All good. So, this is why I'm waiting. I'll show you up that way, like there. You see all the bikes on the footpath. It's just a thing here. So with that, I'm just going to sit here or stand here until they all zippity-do off. I gotta wait for the lights, I'm just going to go. There they go. Let the rush go. Okay, now we can move on. So with that, we'll head up this way. So it's a university in there, schooly thingy. We're on the main drag. Granordom. More of a carving sculpture, redwood. I think it all comes down to what stone they use on it, but it does get very heavy. And as you can see, we'll just go any direction. It says no U-turn, but I'd like to see its eyes pop. Anyway, I'll just do that anyway, hold up all the traffic and go nowhere. After all, you know where we are. More furniture? Guarantee, yep. Cafe not amazing. There you get, and everybody goes in there. Ice cream fruit tree. It's all frequented by schools around this whole area, as I said. And you can see it's a university over there. And it states that. Sciences, economics. So yeah. And of course 11.7 will always give you somewhere else to go. Plenty of food in there, a little marketing in there. Good stuff, cheap. It does get busy. As I said, it is a busy road, main road. Oh, did I say there's a shortage of coffee shops? Not. Always somewhere to park your bike. Stop, have a bite to eat. Always time for food. Bread rolls. Sugar cane. No, not a fan of that. Some people like it. It's just that bit too muzzle drink wood milk as far as I'm concerned. Now we just navigate our way around this. Yep, we can do it. Timed it well. Good stuff. Oh, look at this. Celtics. See? Plenty of servos around. You just got to know where they are. Like in any place, you just have to know where things are. And we'll give you a look at some of these older buildings still surviving as working businesses. As you can see them over there. Just have a quickie walkie down there. See if they're doing anything, some carvings. It's all hand carved, so you've got to remember that. Doesn't look like they're doing much. Well, this one isn't doing much. It's done a lot of wood turning, as you can see over there. Got all their wood in there. One's down at the front of the motorcycle. Not much going on today. No, looks like they've done a little bit. You see the legs, it's just there. As I said, these are all hand carved, a little bit of machining, good stuff. Probably taking a break right now. So yeah, looking good. Well, since they're not doing much, I can't film much, can I? One of the ones I went past there was quite busy, but look at the size of wood they got, the square bits, and where some of them live. Talented, hard work. I don't know what those what they get for all that, but yeah. Anyway, I can kick that. My foot's okay at the moment. Let's just head across here. We'll continue on. Smart. Telecommunications. Get your SIM card from them. Or your cell card. So I've paid out for my internet. Works out for my connected fibre network, all up $180 US for 12 months, and I get unlimited data. Yes, you got that right, unlimited data at minimum 50 megabytes per second. I can pay more, as you can see up top there. Experience speeds of 100 megabytes per second and above. No, I'm not, sorry, I'm not with cell card. On cell card, I use that on my phone. Met phone, I use on my internet. A modem at home. Well, back at the new establishment. So you work that out. I haven't done the figures on that yet, but my connected network fibre, this is US of course, $180. So for a whole year, it's going to cost me less than $300. Let me do a quick calculation of that, and I'll tell you what it is in US. And I know for a fact in Australia, I get absolutely ripped off. And I don't like it. Let's see now. Come on. Quick. Yeah, did it? Yep. Well, I was right. Under $300 a year Australian for 12 months. Unlimited data, minimum 50 megabytes per second at $180, fully installed modem for $290. Or in Great British pounds, 146. Thai baht is 6,234, say 35. So, yeah. Sorry, I haven't got the Canadian dollars done just yet, so I can't tell you on that one, but it gives you an idea. $180 US for 12 months. I pay 100 at the moment for shit service. I'm lucky if I get 30 or 25 megabytes per second, and I'm paying $109 a month, over $1,200 a year. So who's getting ripped off? I guess, but they give you shit service. I can't get fibre into Dad's house because we're so far away, and none of the technicians want to put the effort in to actually give us the cabling for it. So they make up all bullshit excuses, and I've been fighting with them for yeah, we'll head down here for so long about it. See, ABA, that's who I'm with. Easy to deal with, not a problem. Transfer money, the whole works. Pretty good. So out of that, my mobile phone is 105 because I originally used it for a business years ago. They refused to let me change it to a private phone number because I stopped working in 2006 in my company that I had, and so I just paid a higher price. Don't get any extra for it, just pay a higher price, and every year they just want to put it up. What service do I get out of it? Not much. At one stage there with the internet, they denied it. They kept winding the speed of my internet down at that time, which I paid for, the internet and the landline. They kept winding it down. Why did they do that? Because they wanted me to go on the NBN network. And I said, no, I want to stick to my cable. And they kept winding it down. Got to the stage, for me to upload a video, I had to download it onto my mobile phone, walk up to where the park was, a kilometre away, and do it via mobile phone. Because who can survive on dial-up? Dial-up was actually faster than what I was getting. They wound my speed back to 0.79 megabytes per second. Hang on, 0.79. Fair income. And you wonder why I was so critical on Telstra. And they just made all excuses. And I was just got so annoyed with it. So eventually I did go on the NBN network because I just couldn't keep doing it. I couldn't do any work on the internet because if you understand dial-up, to load a picture up, that's line by line. And actually, it's just so much quicker to say it than what you're actually getting. And that's how quick my internet was. Not. So I gave up on it. I absolutely gave up on it. And yeah, so, and that was putting up with that and fighting with Telstra back in Australia. That was shocking. And yet, who do you go to? Oh, yeah, just switch to another one. Yeah, but you've got to remember, Telstra is the main one. Oh, we'll go up this way. Oh, wait. They all decide to come down when I want to walk across. Yeah, Telstra is the main provider for all telecommunications in Australia. So Vodafone, who do they go through? They buy in bulk through Telstra. All these others, they do all the same. So you just get some sort of deal, but you're still dealing with Telstra, where Telstra doesn't have to do the work. What a crock. Absolutely what a crock. So with that, some people might know what that place is there, part of Bong Trebek Market. Plenty of good food, getting ready. And yeah, so I hated it with a vengeance. I still do. And yet you look what I get here. I didn't worry about my data, unlimited data. At my minimum was the speed is what I was paying for. Just minimum 50 megabytes. And I've checked it on my phone and on my Wi-Fi. 50 megabytes minimum. What was it? 57 was the least I've got so far. So the next one up is, I think it was 80 megabytes per second, then 100, then 200, and so forth. And you pay for that. Obviously, the faster you want, the more commercial it is. So anyway, enough of that. That's why I don't like, oh, I have one of them. That's a 1991 model, whatever you want to call it, 4Runner in Melbourne, Australia. That got written off, and the only straight panel was the tailgate on the rear. Everybody's selling their little croc shoes and whatnot. Yeah, g'day, mate. We're right in the thick of Trebong Market, Trebek Market. As you can see, I turned down a little bit too early. I wanted to go a bit further up. But anyway, some chickens. Fresh fruit, clothes, more fresh food, lovely. This will be another big walk. You should have kept going along. Ah, well, it doesn't matter. So yeah. And this is the sad reality of what happened during COVID. Yeah, these buildings. Will they ever get finished? I don't really know. It's pretty sad when you stop to think about it. Had all good intentions. Without getting into the politics of it. Rona done a lot of damage, but did do some good. It stopped the race, and that's all they were doing, was rushing to get a lot of this stuff built. And Rona come along and quacked, put the quack word in the whole world. No, the world has not recovered from it. I think it's just made things a lot worse to where we are right now.